Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content. Hey guys, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. We're over here at Don's, working on his 57, the old one, the original, and show you what we did today. Hold on. It's looking like a car. So, what we did, when we got here, fenders were not on it, core support was sort of on it, this piece was not, so on and so forth. So what we did, first thing we did was tighten up the gas tank straps, and then we, you can see down in here, we hooked up the hoses for the transmission cooler, got them hooked up to the radiator, went ahead and adjusted the alternator bracket, put the air cleaner on, mounted the coil here, put the battery in it, and the battery trays in it, which is huge. Went ahead and ran the gas line down, you can't really see it, but down to here and hooked it up. Most of the body bolts are in it now. Assembled the passenger fender, driver's fender, Don and his son already had. And for those of you that don't know, this is Don. And these are his 57s. So now we're at a position where we have coolant in the car now. We did the upper and lower radiator hoses. We got coolant, we got oil, we got training fluid. Brakes are bled. Now what we got to do is get the hood bolted on. And you know, just like anything with aftermarket parts and whatnot, we had standard bolts and it takes metric. So that's where we're at there. But down here, you can see the coil spring isn't seated into the hat on the top, so we're gonna pull the wheels at another date and pop those back in, put the shocks in, and start hooking this thing up, getting it wired, getting everything kind of where it needs to be, and adjust. Obviously we got to finish mounting the fender, adjust the doors, so on and so forth, and yeah, go do big smoky burnouts. And so what this has, for those of you that don't know, it's a 283, freshly built 283 with power pack heads, Edelbrock intake manifold, and it's got a Holley Street Avenger. Is that what that is?
Holley 4-barrel.
Holley 4-barrel.
650.
650.
It's got a Lunati Voodoo cam in it.
Lunati Voodoo cam, and yeah. And it's got a Power Glide, 2-speed auto. That's fresh. And in the back, what gear you got? 335? He's got a 335 posi in the back. So that's going to be pretty fun. So at least we can do 2-wheel burnouts. He went ahead and got all this hooked up, so it's ready for fuel. I mean, we're getting close. Got to adjust some things, put latches in, so on and so forth, but not bad. Not a bad day. So anyway, this is Sophie. She's Don's garage dog. She's a sweetheart. And then this is another engine for another project. We're not sure what yet, but it's a 454 out of an RV, but it's got low miles, so that'll go in something eventually. But this is Don's. This is what we've been doing all day, guys. We kind of took a break from the thing and the 58 Apache. Come over and help our friend Don. Don's a veteran. He was in the Navy, and he's our buddy. He's one of our neighborhood buddies that comes over and hangs out with us in the garage and checks on us, and we check on him, and we all help each other out and everything, so it's pretty cool. And yeah, so hopefully here tomorrow won't be a video on this. I gotta go to the doctor. But Wednesday, I think we're going to come back over, get the hood on, and finish adjusting all of this and getting it looking like something. And I'll have a video on that for sure. And then hopefully firing it up. And it runs good. and get it fired up for you guys, let you hear it, and kind of go from there. Our glass guy that put the hardtop glass in the thing, he's going to do the glass in this. Don's got all new glass and seals and all the chrome and all the things, so that's going to happen. And then Don's going to bring this over probably the next month or two, and we're going to give it a fresh coat of hot rod black, and that's the way it's going to stay. And you know, hopefully it'll have glass in it and all the trim and everything. It should be a pretty nice car. And then he's got a brand new one over here, which you guys, I think a lot of you have seen. If you haven't, go back and check out some of the earlier videos of Don's 57. He has 2 of these. So the other one's a brand new body from, I believe it's Real Steel in Apopka, Florida. And it's got a brand new frame. It's got a 327 in it, so on and so forth. It's pretty slick too. So, but anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave you with that. This is what we got. It's what we've been doing today. And me, Big Ron, Don's son, we're just sitting out here sweating to death in Florida. But it's looking good. It's a really neat car. So here's a better look inside of here. It's got CPP brakes, all of that. It's sharp. So we're getting there, guys. I'm going to leave you with that. Thanks for watching Brown's Riding Custom. And please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It would really help us out. And we'll bring you some more content here tomorrow and Wednesday. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.